Hi, Wesley, the Gizmo Guy here. Today I'm going to show you how you can add Bluetooth, how to install Bluetooth to a car radio that does not have Bluetooth. Today we're in this Mercedes. If you're thinking about replacing that factory radio of a Mercedes Benz, please reconsider. There are several reasons why you may not want to replace radio in a Mercedes S430, and here's other reason why. Number one is the compatibility issues. The radio unit in the Mercedes Benz S430 is integrated with the car's electronic system. Replacing the radio may cause compatibility issues with the other electronic components, which could result in malfunction or even damage the car. The radio in the Mercedes S430 is not just a simple audio unit. It is also integrated with the car's navigation, climate control, and other systems. Replacing the radio could lead to the loss of some of these functions. Reduce resale value. Mercedes-Benz cars are known for their quality, and replacing the original radio with an aftermarket unit could lower the car's resale value. Cost. The radio in the Mercedes S430 is designed to fit seamlessly with the car's interior, and replacing it with an aftermarket unit could be expensive. Additionally, installation may require special tool and expertise. Overall, it is important to carefully consider the potential drawback before deciding to replacing the radio in a Mercedes-Benz S430. Hi, this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. I have a recommendation for you. Try my gadget out. The Gizmo Guy gadget is designed specifically to work with the Mercedes factory radio. All you have to do is plug in the Gizmo Guy gadget into your cigarette socket, and you're ready to integrate your smartphone, your iPhone, your Android phone right through that Mercedes factory radio. There's no wiring involved. You don't need to take out there's no modification. Simply plug in my device into the car and you're ready to listen and enjoy all your music from your phone through your Mercedes factory radio. You'll be able to enjoy your music, podcast, Pandora, anything you want to listen to, and additionally, you'll be able to have talk hands-free as well as GPS navigation integration right from your phone through your Mercedes factory radio. So please check out my gadget at GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com.
Hey, Wesley,
Thank you for watching.
I bought your gadget a month ago for my 2000 Mercedes S430 that's only got 80,000 miles on it. This car is beautiful and it's perfect, except it doesn't have Bluetooth, it doesn't have Pandora, it doesn't have anything. But now, thanks to you, it does. So now I'm hands-free when I'm talking on the phone. Now I got Pandora, I got Sirius XM, I got anything I want. What a great product. Thanks so much.
You can stream music on your phone. You can have calls on your through your speakers. You could do listen to podcasts, whatever, right through your speakers without the static. How many products on the market claims that there's an option for that, and then when you buy it and you play your music or whatever, all you hear is a bunch of static in between the music. This is not the case with the Gizmo Guy gadget. It is definitely an alternative to having not having Bluetooth in your car. It does tell you that it's plug and play, no Bluetooth, no wire.